If your loved one are severely injured, there is a good chance you'll be transported to Guthrie's Robert Packer Hospital in Sayre.
That's because the hospital provides the only type of trauma care of its kind in the whole region, and they announced some very good news earlier today. WENY's Nick Quattrini gives us an inside look at the trauma center and info on the announcement. Nick?
Renata and John, when it comes to trauma, every second counts, and running a trauma center is a team effort every step of the way.
When the call comes in and a higher level of advanced care is needed, the staff at Robert Packer's Trauma Center is ready. The first step in life-saving care starts by getting the patient to the trauma center, by ambulance, or when time is of the absolute essence, by air. Guthrie Air can turn a normally long drive into a quick flight.
Typically when the aircraft gets called in, it's for the more serious traumas that need to come to a trauma facility, with Robert Packer being the closest one.
Once the patient is inside, specialized personnel and equipment is ready to provide life-saving procedures. And with time being the most important factor in trauma care, a vital resource like blood is on hand.
Everything that we need to assist a patient who comes in with severe injuries can be stabilized, can be assessed. Because in order to stabilize the patient, we need to know obviously what's going on, what's wrong with them.
Because of the hard work and dedication by everyone involved with the Trauma Center at Robert Packer Hospital, recently they were able to receive a full 3-year accreditation for their trauma center. That's the highest award possible, allowing the hospital to serve the area as the only trauma center of its kind for the next 3 years.
And we are just so pleased to be able to offer this service in such a small area to provide such high-level care to injured patients.
What we pride ourselves in is trying to give the patients who come in here, regardless of the severity of their injuries, the best care that we can give them.